Hello everyone, welcome back to Funani Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 31st of July to the 4th of August 2023 on Monday. Nandipa brings Nkosi for questioning and he struggles under pressure until Funani shows up with a lawyer to rescue him, which leads to Nandipa believing that Nkosi is involved on Tuesday. Nandipa shows up at the Mulapo's house to offer Isaac immunity if he turns on the Zwides, and in a surprise turn, Ria tells him to take the deal on Wednesday. Isaac decided not to turn state witness and Funani is grateful, but Funani later entertained the idea of pinning Alex's murder on Isaac to save Nkosi from going to prison on Thursday. Funani decided to drop the plan to set up Isaac after a conversation with Honor. Meanwhile, Zanele finally links up with Zola and finds him interesting and complex on Friday. Nkosi goes against his father and winds up planting the gun at the Mulapo's house. He then informed the authorities who search the Mulapo's residence, find the gun and arrest Isaac for murder. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.